How to check mutual friends on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy. In today's guide video, I'll show you the way on how you can actually check mutual friends on Snapchat. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, what happens is that make sure you have updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Snapchat, and go ahead and simply either download or update the Snapchat app. And once you've updated the Snapchat app, you just want to go ahead and then open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you are logged in, you can see this is how it's going to look like. Now by default, you'll be taken to this page. And let's say that you just want to check out some mutual friends on Snapchat. First of all, if I go to my chat feed, you can see some of the people over here. If I go to their profile and set on the tab on the profile, you can see we don't also have the option to view the friends of a particular friend. So if you have a friend on Snapchat, you also want to be able to view their friend list. Let's go talking about the mutual friends list. Instead, what I can tell you is that if you come back over here and then you go to your profile page or the plus icon on the top right corner, you'll find all these sections which says quick add. And when you see quick add over here, these are some of the recommendations which Snapchat thinks is actually helpful to you, which means that these people have some kind of mutual connection with you. That is why it is showing up on your recommendations list. Keep in mind that Snapchat does not let you say directly whose mutual friend they actually are, but they actually are, in this case, people who show up in quick add are actually your mutual friends, which means that let's say you have a friend on Snapchat and you both are friends with this particular person, and that is simply why it is showing up in this case, and this is one of those reasons why. But keep in mind that there isn't a definitive option just like Facebook which allows you to see someone's mutual friend if someone has set their privacy settings to public. This is simply how it works. Let's go talking about the mutual friends you also aren't able to view the normal friends list of someone on Snapchat. And hopefully this video answered a question. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.